All right, things are sounding better. Definitely much smoother picking, so very good, very good. So we're going to do two more things, all reverse gallops, and if all goes well, we're going to start combining the gallops and reverse gallops in one progression. So let me just change something on the metronome here real quick. All right, back to that, and here we go. Number 1, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Again, 2 strings, 2-finger chords, less fatiguing on the fretting hands. Remember, keep it smooth, nice and smooth, nice and smooth, nice and smooth, nice and smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, 3, 4. Palm muting is optional. I certainly like doing it at faster speeds. The notes just cut better. It's very much more percussive. I like it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, next. So just more chord changes for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. theory. We're going to move to new stuff. We're going to start working with suspended chords. So I'm very curious how, like, what knowledge you already have of these chords. There's a few suspended chords that I was taught that are almost never talked about. I've heard Rick Beato give one of these a very strange name, called it like a Phrygian suspended chord. Basically, it's going to be a suspended flat second. But so one thing I'm going to send over, old PDF I made explaining what suspended chords are and how to figure them out. Bring that up real quick. Hold on, let me reset this. Here we go. And so yeah, it's just a little explanation at the top there. But basically, I'm not going to read through that. I'll let you read through that if you know, when you're ready. But basically what we're going to do is take the third or flat third and replace it with the 2 or a 4. And this just kind of explains, you know, how to achieve that, when I'm going to be walking through things so you have an even better idea how to achieve it. So it has things laid out here as to how you will see them in key, so in your major keys, minor keys. So this is not going to have every single possible combination out there. I know that there was one school of theory, I think it pertains to jazz. I don't know why you have jazz theory versus classical theory. To me, it's all math. And, you know, when you have a set of intervals, that should be what it is. You know, what the chord is. And anyway, because I know sometimes people will name chords based off of what was a previous chord, or perhaps where they're going to go next. Well, I don't want to have all that stuff to be thinking about. I just, here are the intervals. What do you call it? And that's it. So with your suspended seconds, so in your major scale, your major key, chords 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 can become a suspended second. So the modes that correspond to that, so your Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian.
The baby's here, and I'm on the phone with the lawyer.
Hang on, I gotta start this video over again. Or not over again, I gotta continue it in just a second. Sorry, something just happened. Nothing bad though. One moment.